almonds good for you? Almonds are a type of nut that is very healthy and have a number of advantages. Almonds are nutrient-dense. They are loaded with important nutrients. They are a great source of monounsaturated fats, which are good for the heart and other healthy fats. Fiber, protein, vitamin E, magnesium, and other vitamins and minerals can also be found in almonds. Almond consumption has been linked to a lower risk of developing heart disease. Almonds, while having a lot of calories, can aid with weight control. Protein, fiber, and healthy fats work together to increase satiety, which keeps your content for longer and lowers your risk of overeating. Almonds have a low glycemic index, which means their effects on blood sugar levels are negligible. Almonds are rich in nutrients that are good for the brain. Almonds include antioxidants, vitamin E, and healthy fats that have been associated with enhanced cognition and a decreased risk of age-related cognitive decline. Almonds are a wonderful source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, 3 elements necessary for strong and healthy bones. These elements strengthen bones and guard against diseases like osteoporosis. Almonds provide good lipids that help skin stay hydrated and contribute to a clear complexion. Pregnant women can benefit from the nutritional assistance provided by almonds. They offer vital minerals including folate, calcium, and iron, which are crucial for both the mother's health and the growth of the fetus.